Hello fans of Robot Rugby League. This is the big one, the NFL Semi Finals. Whoever wins this game goes through to the Super Bowl. The crowd are excited. They're showing that by waving coloured stockings. We're almost underway. It's Alabama versus Notre Dame. Wow, a French team. Good luck to them. And they're beginning with a shot on goal. Blimey, seems ambitious. Wallop! No, that's sailing wide like a pathetic boat. Unlucky, fullback catches it, runs a bit, gets tired, falls over, and the score remains goalless. Here's Alabama's fly half QB Jr. They call him the Cube for short. There's the stats. He's been on the internet 3 times. That's a school record. Let's see what QB can do. He has the ball, shows it to his friend. Friend doesn't want it. Mother goose! Caught by 83 like a dog with a frisbee. Wowzers, look at all those players on the sidelines. Not so much a subs bench as a subs borough. Alabama's fullback has a handkerchief in his back pocket. He must have a cold, but he's pressing on regardless. That's stoicism for you. Now he's got the ball. He ducks, he weaves, he bursts through a pile of blokes like a mad deflating balloon, flung over the yellow tripwire by 2 padded monsters, and chamois leathers rain onto the pitch. Oh, a man from prison has come onto the field. What's he got to say? 2 syllables. Mouth, fist, fist line, of course. Fist line. Which means the chap dressed as Wolverine must report to the fist line. He's not best pleased about that, but those, apparently, are the rules. Alabama have another put in at the scrum. Wow, they are bossing this game up front. Notre Dame haven't had the faintest sniff of the ball yet. And speaking of sniffs, here's old Sniffly himself. He's greased himself up and he's parting the helmety sea. Flapjack! 1-0! Oh no, he dropped it! No, they haven't noticed. The try still stands. He is an ostrich of the field. Oh, it's all over! It's all over. They've taken off their hard hats and traipsed off. Alabama are through to the Super Bowl. Good for them. They'll be pleased with that. And now they line up with their bums out. Number 5 waits. A ball is guffed out. Thumper! The conversion soars through the uprights. Oh, and they've won a crystal. They've won a crystal. That kick has won them a crystal. Alabama make the Super Bowl and earn a bonus crystal in the process. Let's hope they use that wisely in the next round. Back to you.